Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my social media planner. It is for the week of April 5th through 11th. And this planner is a happy planner called A New Day. So it is a dashboard layout. And if you guys know me and follow me for a bit, you guys know I am obsessed with Love Posh stickers, and that's exactly what we're going to be using. I am in love with Love Posh, and as many of you are as well, and I've been hoarding my stickers, and this is the Posh Blooms and Icons, and of course, I am obsessed. And it is time for a spring, beautiful spring florals. So that's what I'm bringing in. I've been hoarding these for a while because they have so much blue and they're beautiful, and it is time to finally use them. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing in this spread. And I wanted to say thank you if you have been following me for a while, or if you just joined. Thank you so much. I think you don't even understand the impact you guys have on me. The friendships, the love, the support, all of this means the world to me and more, and I am grateful, thankful, and blessed. So thank you. And if you're here for the first time, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like it here, and if you do, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here as part of my planner family. So, and of course, don't forget the little bell to make sure that you know when I post another video. So here we go. These are the florals that we're going to be working with. I am in love with the little lantern. This screams spring to me, like in a million different ways, and so does this one. So I'm going to be combining these two similar but not quite the same styles of stickers from that same book, and I am absolutely like starstruck by how lovely these are. So here we go. Look how beautiful. These blues and pinks and kind of a little bit of a different vibe just makes me so happy. I love florals. I love anything floral in my planner. Makes me smile, makes me happy. It keeps me going, so that's exactly what I'm doing. This is beautiful and lovely, and now I need to balance the spread out and add a few other things to the other page. Here we go. So I'm going to cover up that focus. I don't need to use any of the correction tape or anything like that, since these are full on paper stickers, so they will actually cover stuff up for me, so I don't need to worry. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my monthly boxes and grab a few of those smaller boxes and try to match them up in color to the spread to cover up the prompts given by the Happy Planner. I don't use them. This planner is used for my social media, and I love my social media planner. I still decorate it. I still do it. So here we go. Okay, and that green matches as well. So now I can place them down to make my own prompts. Here we go. So I have pink, yeah, these are just gorgeous. Pink, purple, blue, and green, and they are just beautiful. So here we go. Yep, that works. And now I just need to add some elements to fill this in. Let's take a look. Let's see if I can add in something to the middle. So I'm gonna grab my beautiful, beautiful X-Acto knife. I love this thing. So my X-Acto knife is this tiny blade that comes out from a retractable metal barrel, and it is much smaller than a traditional X-Acto knife. And this is perfect for like planner and stickers and detailed crafting. I couldn't be happier with it. If you guys are interested, I always link all of these items down below, or you can find them in my Amazon favorite shop as well under Plannerista 101. So I keep anything that I kind of use on a regular basis, I keep it in there. Just like my sticker storage, it is a shoe shelf technically, and that's what I use, and it sits on top of my desk. The original one came with my closet and I wasn't using it, and I used it for stickers, and then I was able to find something that was practically exactly the same thing, and I added more. So that stores all of my stickers, and I am so happy I'm able to do that because that changes everything. Okay, so I added a flower kind of separating Thursday and Friday, and sometimes I like doing that, just cutting a straight edge and adding them to random places on the page to break down or break up the mundane white space of the planner. Okay, and then I'm gonna add another flower between Monday and Wednesday, like so. And I think this page is pretty balanced, and I can't wait to write in it. I am so excited to be able to do that. I know it's like, you guys will understand. You guys are my people and will completely understand what I'm talking about. And then we have this side, which is a little bit boring right now, so I'm gonna change that up as well. And I'm gonna add a flower, and so the trend will continue. Let's see what I come up with. If you guys have any books that you guys want me to use in my spreads, please let me know. I have most of the Happy Planner books. I'm not missing very many. I have so much of the Recollections and Agenda 52 and Planner Anonymous, and of course Live Love Posh and the Calva Plan. So if you guys have any requests for any of these, let me know. I will be happy to see if I can come up with a spread for you guys. I love challenges, and I love when somebody comes at me and says, can you see if you can create a spread with this? And it just makes me so happy to be able to do so. So here we go. I'm just gonna cut the edge off, and hopefully this works. Yep. Let's see if I can finish this flower. Oh, it doesn't look bad, but doesn't look great. Let me take that off. Oh, the struggle with these sometimes is real, and I only use undo if I'm taking everything out of the area. Otherwise, it can make my stickers curl up a little bit. I'd have to remove both pieces and wait for the page to dry to reapply the original sticker. That's why I'm not using it. So let's see if I can just peel this up. Yay! Oh my gosh, it came off. It came off! I'm so happy. Okay. So not too much to go. This is pretty balanced and beautiful. I don't like that empty section in the focus area, so I definitely will add something to there, because why not, right? It's my planner. I can do whatever I want. It makes me so happy looking at this, and I love positive quotes to keep me going. Like, love positive quotes to keep me going. So here we go. And yeah, so there's this. So I'm gonna grab my black and white book, the new release one, because out of the release, I'm surprised that this is one of my favorite books. I'm not sure why I'm surprised, but I am surprised. So I'm gonna pop this back into my planner and see how it looks in there, because sometimes that's just enough for me to know that that's enough and I can stop. It looks pretty great, but like I said, I am missing something in the middle section, and I could kind of write that in, or I can grab the sticker book, which, like I said, one of my favorite, and the quotes in there are just absolutely beautiful and so relatable. So that's what I'm gonna grab. I'm gonna add this in, and it's going to be celebrate the small victories. So, or celebrate each little victory, actually. But I remember seeing this in a book, and I was like, how perfect is that for a full week of changes for me? I am accepting a job offer this week, and I am transitioning my life into something different. I am so extremely excited to be able to do this and move on onto the bigger and better things. Okay, here we go. I am thinking of adding maybe a couple of these and seeing how they look with the florals, and if it's not too much. So let's go ahead and do that. So the first one I'm going to add is going to say make this day count, which makes sense, right? Counting this day is important, and I'm super excited for all of these things and being able to use them eventually. And then we have life happens but coffee helps. Yes, it does indeed. I have a cup of coffee in front of me as I am planning. It is about 5:45 a.m. when I'm doing this, so super early on, but that's how I do my planning. But I think this black kind of dampens down my flowers, and they gotta go. So as I'm writing in this planner, if I feel like I need more to add, I will, but for right now I actually feel like this is looking pretty good, so we shall see what I decide. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great week. Bye.